Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys a step-by-step guide in finding the right LVN/nursing program. So one of the key things to look for in the program is that it is accredited, meaning that the school nursing program is compliant with statutory and regulatory requirements by the state. Accreditation also means that graduates can take the NCLEX. Therefore, if a school is not accredited, once you graduate, no matter how much money you spent, you will not be able to take the NCLEX. That's why it is very important to look at the school website or flyer and see that it states that it is accredited and that it has their passing rate percentages listed. Now, when choosing your school, it is important to know your desired length of the program, if you're willing to go full-time or part-time. Full-time is usually 1.3 years, while part-time is usually 2 years. This would all depend on your schedule, whether you're working full-time, part-time, or if you're enrolled in another school. So this is a very important thing to note when choosing your school. Another major component when choosing your school is the location. How far will you be willing to travel for the school? Were you trying to stay close to home, or you're willing to drive the extra miles? Consider your mileage, consider your means of transportation. Make sure that your means for transportation is reliable and that you're able to make the drive however far it's going to be. Now let's move on to actually searching for the school. So all I did was Google LVN Pass Rates California Board 2020. I did this one back in 2021, so the 2021 pass rates were still not on the list. So all you do is Google and then you click on the BVNPT.ca.gov. This is for California. And then you'll get the list of Department of Consumer Affairs of vocational nursing programs and their pass rates. Now, to better understand how this PDF works is we're going to zoom in, right, and we're going to see that it shows the past 5 years of each school that is accredited, the number of people that tested, and the percentage that passed. We're going to try and see to look for a school that has at least 90% pass rate. A great example of this would be Ellen Hancock College, which has about more than 90% for the last 5 years. Now, as we scroll down, I'm going to try to look for a school that has 90% or above passing rate in the last 5 years. And as I scrolled down, I saw Bakersfield. Let's see, I'm trying to go down here a little. I saw Bakersfield Adult School. Now, this one has 92%, 93%, 100%, 100%, and 100% for the last for the last 3 years, sorry. So we're going to go ahead and get into their website and check out their tuition, their program information, and here we are. For 2021, the program cost was $6,500. Now here it includes all the prerequisites, the classes that you'll be taking, any payment plans that's going to be needed, and it just comes with a lot of information that's very helpful. 22-month LVN program. Now I'm going to go ahead to another college that has about the same stats, but I am going to try to choose a private college here. So I'm going to go for Angeles College, Los Angeles. Now the last 2 years, let's say it has 100%, maybe not this past 2020, but let's go ahead and see their website to see what is in there. So after Googling them and going inside their website, we're able to look for the vocational nursing program. We just scroll down here. We click on their vocational nursing program just to know a little bit more information. Now, clicking here, we're able to see a lot of tabs. Program information, program cost, the class schedule, any disclosures, and their passing rates. Now, here we have the course that you would be taking as an LVN student, as well as their prerequisite, which is just a high school diploma. So that's good. The program cost tab, we see a breakdown of the costs, total amount being $30,500. We see class schedule. They offer full-time and part-time theories and skills labs, and they also show the 2 campuses that they have, which is Los Angeles and the City of Industry. Now, any disclosures and their famous NCLEX passing rates. Now, I do suggest looking at this PDF, doing your own research, playing around with the schools, Googling, and all that. And with that, I conclude my step-by-step guide for looking for the right LVN/nursing program in California. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but if you would like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and comment down below what other kind of videos you would like to see next. I really, really would like to know. So thank you guys for watching.